Nothing, just listening to this new speaker I bought from GOVO. I didn't thought it would be great, but it's actually really good.
No, it's not. Have you ever used the one from JBL? It's so awesome. I have been using it for some time and it really does make a difference.
You know what? I got an idea for a video, really cool video. So I will compare the JBL speaker that you have bought and the GOVO speaker that I have, and then I'll show you what's the difference between them and what fabulous things GOVO is doing in the audio field and how good their speakers are. So you will regret your decision of buying a JBL speaker. Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Shut and Vajes. Today we are going to try to talk about a soundbar from a company called GOVO and compare it with JBL Cinema SB241. First thing first, let's talk about the brand. So GOVO is an Indian company which was founded in Bangalore in the year 2021 that provides many lifestyle products such as headphone, earbud, speaker and many more. So today we have GOVO GOSURROUND 900, and before starting the comparison, let's see what's come in the box. Unboxing appears to be fairly simple. Both JBL and GOVO include the soundbar itself with a woofer that can be connected via wire as well as connecting cable, and power cord with an input of 110 to 240 volts, 50 and 60 Hz. And both the soundbars also come with a remote. Talking about the design, it's pretty aesthetic and sleek. As you can see, it doesn't look like those old boxy looking soundbar. I mean, the triangular shaped soundbar with green strip LED light with on-off function make it look clean and impressive, which also supports wall mounting and comes with the minimal looking subwoofer, while on the other hand a soundbar from JBL, which is JBL Cinema SB241, which is a decent looking soundbar but with an old design which doesn't go well with today's modern TV shelf. Now we talk about the build quality. After comparing both the soundbars, I found it interesting that GOVO soundbar comes with a superior build quality which is sturdy and can withstand almost every situation. On the other hand, JBL also has impressive build quality, but the only thing that tickles me is that it doesn't look and feel as premium. It is very average looking and it is very average built. Now talking about the specification, the GOVO soundbar comes with numerous features such as an auto audio equalizer that defines the audio according to the content that you are playing and watching, like movies, music, news and also 3D modes, which let you control treble and bass manually through remote compared to the JBL soundbar, which has features but limited such as smart voice audio enhancement and predefined settings which you cannot even control through remote as we saw in the GOVO soundbar. Now pairing is fairly simple in both GOVO and JBL, as you can connect it via Bluetooth, HDMI, optical connector, USB and aux, but aux is not available in JBL, which is quite disappointing. Furthermore, GOVO offers the latest Bluetooth 5.0 while JBL offers Bluetooth 4.2, which we noticed while connecting and disconnecting both the devices. A significant difference between GOVO and JBL is that GOVO is a 200 watt soundbar and that comes with 2.1 channel, while JBL is just a 110 watt soundbar, and in our testing it really makes a difference. Now JBL has its signature sound which really does feel good with Dolby Atmos, but you will be amazed after knowing what we saw it with GOVO. After hearing the Dolby content through the GOVO soundbar, we are shocked. It has 2.25 explosive drivers, or you can say 4 speakers, which does really make a difference in real life testing and produces this superior surround sound that everybody in the room can hear, and each and every word clearly and loudly enough. JBL on the other hand has only 2 soundbar drivers, which is fine for vocals, but real world testing we found it to be significantly off due to the low bass. Talking about the externals, we have a lot of physical button pairs in the GOVO. The first has power and volume controls, the third has a play or pause button, and the another one you can use is to turn and off the classic lights, which looks attractive. Second, it has a small LED display which automatically gives it an advantage over JBL. The performance and actual sound comparison are both good, but there is a catch. While testing we noticed both have almost similar audio, but there is a noticeable difference in their treble plus bass. The treble plus bass is much better in GOVO, while in shocking at this price. Just listen to this. When comparing the remotes, we believe the GOVO remote has more features than the JBL remote. First and foremost, we notice that JBL has a 14 key function remote, whereas the GOVO has a 17 key function remote. In addition, we notice that GOVO's remote has a higher build quality and feels more premium than JBL's in hand. Starting from the top, the GOVO remote has power, mute, pair and input buttons. Furthermore, it has the classic circular volume and playback controls in the center. Besides that, it has different mode buttons to switch between the modes, and the last three on the bottom are the treble control, bass control and 3D sound button. After comparing both the soundbars, here is our final conclusion. If you are looking for a soundbar that is not so expensive and comes with best sound quality, then you should go for the GOVO soundbar. It is really worth every penny. You can also visit their site to get more information about the product, and if you want to buy it, click the link in our description. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hope to see you in the next one.